News' Jolie Sherman is live in the newsroom with more from today's Friday briefing.
Well, good evening, Lauren. Yes, the Scott administration spoke in depth about holiday travel, especially with Thanksgiving around the corner. They say they don't advise it as cases are on the rise and reaching double digits. But they say for Vermonters who do decide to travel, open communication and adherence to state health and travel guidance is imperative.
We strongly advise not traveling this Thanksgiving. We think there are risks involved with hosting or participating in any gathering, and those risks need to be evaluated from a personal perspective and from the perspective of your family and friends.
This health recommendation comes as cases creep up in the Green Mountain State.
You'll notice that our highest number of cases back in April was 70. 2 days ago, we reached 35.
To guide Vermonters, the Department of Health created a travel toolkit equipped with health strategies and prompts for facilitating COVID conversations.
And before you attend a gathering, make sure everyone has the same understanding of the precautions that will be necessary, such as wearing masks and distancing. Additionally, everyone should get a flu shot before Thanksgiving.
Secretary French mentioned students pre-K through 12 will not move to remote learning after Thanksgiving.
Quite simply, I feel that taking such action would not be in the best interest of our students.
But college students studying out of state and community members who plan to travel or get together locally are advised to be cautious.
Just yesterday, Vermont had 24 cases, and while that was a refreshing drop, as I just pointed out from the previous day, our neighbor to the east, with twice the population, had 10 times this many cases.
Dr. Levine points out the nation is in a different stage of the pandemic, making these COVID talks all the more crucial. And Dr. Rebecca Bell with the Vermont chapter of American Academy of Pediatrics empowers the younger generation to initiate these conversations.
Adolescents are actually really much better than adults at having some challenging conversations. So Secretary French talked about having the COVID conversation, and I actually think young people are going to be better at doing things like that than are adults.
Secretary French and Dr. Levine acknowledged Vermonters' efforts to find creative solutions to their celebrations, just as they did for high school graduations, as well as on Halloween. And they also recommend that they do that on Thanksgiving. Reporting live in the newsroom, Jolie Sherman, Local 22 News.